Gideon takes 32,000 men, and through a divine process, it's whittled down to 300 men, and he takes on the multitudes of people, and he wins the battle. But how did he get there? Was he always this great man of God? Can I tell you, before he ever got there, he is one of the most unlikely people you will ever see in all your life. You can set your heart, your affections on things above and not of this earth. It's the enemy that loves to isolate us. God knows right where you are. See, today we have a little better understanding of this because we have satellites. Before there were ever satellites, the Holy Spirit understood that principle. He was the satellite. God sees who you are in Him. The Lord is with you, mighty warrior. Gideon goes. God saw him as a mighty man, a mighty warrior. Gideon didn't even see himself in the Cub Scouts. There's going to have to be something that rises up and we start listening to God. You see, God sees who you are in Him.